carbon footprint and digital footprint. So your carbon footprint is how heavy or light your physical presence is in the world. I mean, do you take up a lot of resources, or do you actually give back, and renew the resources that you use as much as possible, or do you have like a more conscious approach to your living? But digital footprint is going to increasingly, over time, people are going to become aware that it's the same kind of phenomenon. Like, do you have a very heavy digital footprint? You just take and resources online and don't give anything back? Are you kind of like, leaving people worse off online, through criticisms or through, God forbid, bullying? Or are you kind of like building communities that create value, improves people's lives? So right now, people don't really discuss much about being a good corporate online citizen. I mean, they do a little bit when it comes to blogs and comments and things like that, but right now we have more of a consciousness is growing, as people become more concerned about climate change and, becoming good stewards of our environment and our physical, space and earth. The same concern over time is going to increasingly happen for online, that we're going to develop rules and sensibilities and ideas about becoming good corporate citizens online. So just as like the idea as one example of the triple bottom line, that, for physical, companies that, they should be concerned, and it's actually in their best interest ultimately to be concerned not only with profits, which is one of the triple bottom line, but also the social effects and the environmental effects. The same thing will happen digitally, that I don't know if it'll be the exact same three or whether it'll be different, but we'll be concerned not only with making profit online, but we'll be concerned like, are we good social citizens? Are we good citizens of the online environment? So the same concepts and perhaps different ones also will apply.